So again, for those of you who aren't that familiar with this, these chains actually come this loose. Like, they're not tight. So when you're really ramping this thing up in RPM and you let off the throttle, this can really go in and get screwed up. So this piece prevents that from happening. So that's why I added it in there. I think that's pretty cool. They did a good job with that. It looks like it belongs there. Well, I just got done degreeing this, and the other day when I threw all this together, I was 1 tooth off on the cam gear. And this is the whole reason we do this, is to catch stuff like that. So I did wind up the, I don't know why they put the cam card on the outside of the box that they ship it on. But I wound up going to their website and just I wrote it on there. But we're good to go now. I got to torque these down. I like to Loctite them. And, you know, we can start putting some heads on. So here we are. I got the front cover on. This is actually the front cover from the red truck I bought originally, but then I bought that other front cover with the fittings welded in for the oil returns. If I ever wind up turboing this, we'll mess with that later. But for right now, that's perfect. And then I put the original harmonic balancer on. The rubber still looks pretty good, so to heck with it. And we're using the multi-layer metal head gaskets. You can't really read this anymore, but I got these off of Amazon. They were 36 bucks a piece, so I got 2 of them. I've already got it in here. I'm about to put some head bolts in, torque them down, and you guessed it, we're reusing everything. So let me put these in, get them torqued down, and we'll be good. Alrighty, we got, well, I forgot to put these in, darn it. But anyway, I got all these on. Getting ready to put some rocker arms on here. Put the push rods in soon. I use the tighten everything down to 22 foot-pounds, go over everything 90 degrees, and then one more time and an additional 50 degrees on both sides. And then these little guys get 20 foot-pounds, and that's it. So I'm actually missing one of these over here, which is kind of a bummer for me, but I'll pick one up. Trip to the junkyard, the hardware store. Anyway, like I said, I've got these chromoly push rods. Gonna, you know, all the old stuff. There's no reason to use anything else. But that's it. Almost done with this thing. I need the oil pan, headers, you know, installation stuff from that point on. But rotating assemblies together, and oh, I need a flex plate. I gotta figure out which one I need. But let me get all this stuff together, and I'll turn the camera back on. And there we have it. I'm a little out of breath because I just got done spinning this thing over a bunch of times. Whew. Well, I gotta do all the covers and everything now. But this is it. Engine's ready to go. I can stick the bag back over it and call it a day. So we'll see what the next video has in store for you guys.